Welcome to AI for Everyone. I'm Joel Com, and this episode is a little bit different because I've got my mother with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Today, we're going to do something really amazing. We're going to take an old photo and we're going to bring it to life right before your eyes.
Really?
Really.
I can take any photo, black and white, color, doesn't make any difference?
With the tools that we're going to use, you can do that.
Okay.
This is AI for Everyone. As I said, this is AI for Everyone. We've got a different type of episode for you today. I am in the Chicago area with my mother, born and raised here, but now she lives out in Palm Springs and I live in Puerto Rico, but we're here together.
We are here together. Aww.
And she's really enjoying watching what we're doing. And I thought, you know what? On the show, one of the promises is that we're going to have wow moments. And so today I want to have one of those
I would.
wow moments.
Wow.
So I'm going to start by showing this picture,
All right.
which you might recognize.
Oh, that's my mom and dad.
Yep, that's Harry and Marion.
Harry and Marion.
And this picture is probably sometime in the early 70s, I would guess. Now, there's a lot of different AI video tools out there. And while some of them offer some degree of free trial, if you want good results, you're going to have to pay for them. That doesn't mean they're expensive, and the tool I'm going to show you right now is very reasonable to do the type of magic that we're about to do. This video tool is called Kling.ai. You can see from the screen, these are some of the videos that other users have created. So you can see a very long prompt, a photorealistic baby kitten with soft, fluffy orange tabby fur, wearing a small red backpack, is hanging from an overhead subway with one paw. And it goes on, and somebody has described this, and they made this AI video of this kitten. Now that's one of the features. You can go into Kling and you can tell it, I want to create text to video. But you can also go in and say, I want to make an image into video. So what we're going to do once we're logged in with our account is click here, and then I'm going to find the photo of my grandparents, and it's going to load this up. So I've created a prompt here. I say, animate this photo of the old man and woman, have them stand up, look at each other with love, and then turn to the viewer and wave while smiling. Stay true to the original look in the photo. You know, when you're using AI, it doesn't know who these people are, and it only sees them from the front. So when they turn and look at each other, is the AI going to pick up on this is what we think this person looked like, or could their faces change a little bit? So I'm telling it, try to stay true to the look, and we're going to see what happens. We're going to tell it to do a 5-second video, and it's going to cost me 35 credits in my Kling credit pool to do that. So we're going to go ahead and click this and tell it to get started. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh.
That never happened.
No.
But doesn't it? Isn't it them? So I was playing with this before you showed up to test it out for myself, and I found another photo of you and me. This one right here.
Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that.
And I just told the prompt, take the picture of this mother and son, have them get up, and they hug each other. Now, if you look at yourself, you're very young, very beautiful. And I think it kind of made you look a little Asian.
Well, I did have coal black hair at the time.
Yeah, you did.
Which it is not now.
But certainly, you and I hugged many times. But this, what we're looking at, never actually happened.
Right.
But AI brought it to life for us. How cool is that?
That's pretty amazing.
That's one of those oh wow moments that I promised you. If we take a look at Kling, in order to use the service and purchase credits, then you go to their page where you can buy them. And you can see, for example, for $5, you can get 330 credits. Now, that video we just made of Grandma and Grandpa was 35 credits.
Right.
So pretty much you could make 9 videos
Right.
at that price, which is really, it's very fair. It's what they're doing is pretty incredible. So do we get the wow factor there?
Wow. I want to do all that. I want to make myself into a cartoon character.
Well, you know what? Maybe we'll do that next. But what I didn't tell you is that my mother here is a prolific YouTuber herself and a seasoned world traveler. You've been everywhere, haven't you?
165 countries and still counting.
Yeah, let's say who's counting.
Yeah.
Her YouTube channel, Travels with Sheila, it documents her travels. She's got 58,000 subscribers. And how many videos?
Over 4,000.
Yeah, so go check out. We will have links to her channel as well as to everything we discussed in this episode at the show notes at aishow.io/7. And of course, I do value your subscriber click because when you do that, it allows others to see the video as well. Thanks for joining me, Mom.
Thank you, Joel.
She's the best.
I've learned a lot.
I hope you've learned something too. We'll catch you next time on the show. Remember, AI is for everyone, including you.
Was it Bing Bong? Bing Bong.
It's beep boop.
Beep boop.